Hello dear students, in this video I will teach you how to change the narration according to tenses. In last video I had given you some rules already and I suggest you that you should go through the tenses once again. So let's start with changing the narration according to tenses. We will have a revision what we had already learned. First of all, what we will see what is narration. Narration is an act of reporting the word of a speaker. There are two main ways of reporting the words of a speaker. First is direct narration and second one is indirect narration. And direct narration is when the actual words of the speaker are reproduced. It is called direct narration. And indirect narration is when the conversation is repeated without using the speaker's actual words through the meaning is changed. It is called indirect narration. So you understood the difference between both the narrations. So I'll give you one example what you had already learned. So those who had not attended the previous video, just look at this. Here we have an example. Ram said, comma, inverted comma, I am tired, inverted comma, closed. So this speech is called direct narration. Means Ram said, I am tired. It is directly said as it is as Ram said. But if we change this sentence into indirect, how it could be changed? Ram said that he was tired. So here we had seen some changes are there. Here in second sentence we find that comma, inverted comma is removed and in place of it we had add one conjunction word. And another thing that we had seen that there are changes in tense also. Okay, simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. So like this we have so many rules we will learn in it. Okay, so reported speech is direct narration is placed within the inverted commas. This rule we had already learned. Second thing, we should know that it begins with the capital letter. We should always remember the reported verb which is in inverted comma, it is always start with the capital letter. Okay. Then some are elementary rules that you had not learned. I would like to give this. First of all, inverted commas and commas are removed when we change the narration direct to indirect. Second, both the clauses will add with conjunction that. This you had already learned. Then let's see how to change these tenses. In this video, we will learn how to change tenses in reported speech. Okay. So here, first of all, we have present simple tense will change into past simple tense. Means present indefinite will change into past indefinite. How? Let's see the example. First is, he said, comma, inverted comma, Sita sings very well. Okay. This is our simple sentence. So, when we change, this is the direct narration because the speaker's words are spoken as same as it is said by him. But when we change it, it will change into he said that, comma, inverted comma will remove, in place of it we will add that. He said that Sita sang very well. Here we have verb sings. It is the verb of present indefinite tense verb and it is changed into past indefinite. I think you understood it. Let's see some another examples. Second example. They said, comma, inverted comma, we play football. This is direct narration. Okay, let's change it. Let's see how do we change it. They said, as the rule I taught you, if you have said in reporting verb, there is no change. It will remain unchanged. Comma, inverted comma will remove. In place of it, we will add the conjunction that. In place of, see, we will change the pronoun persons. It is first person will change into they. According to subject, it will be changed. So, they said that they played football. Here, this first sentence is in present indefinite tense. It will change into past indefinite tense. Getting? See another example. I love my parents. It is in comma, inverted comma. Okay, he said, let's remove this comma, inverted comma and change the sentence. So, he said that he loved his parents. Simple, it is very simple. Now, Students, once again I would like to say you just go through the tenses. You do practice of changing the tenses one tense to another. It will be helpful for you when you are changing the narrations again. So she said, comma, inverted comma, I don't waste time, inverted comma, closed. This sentence is in direct narration. So when we change it, it will change into she said that she didn't waste time. Look it here. Here we have this rule. You understood that how to change the reported speech verb said, and comma, inverted comma removed, and in place of it we will add that. And when we change the sentence, we first of all we have to change the person. This person is changed according to subject, so I will change into she. And this verb according to tense, it is present indefinite tense verb, so it will change into past indefinite tense verb. Don't will change into didn't. Okay. So second is present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. So let's see with the example. He said, comma, inverted comma, Sita is singing very well. This sentence is in direct narration. Change it into indirect. This sentence is in present continuous tense. Okay. So how do we change it? First of all, we have to see these steps. I taught you these steps, 6-step formula. How do we change it? First of all, we have to change the reported speech verb. Said will remain same. Then in place of comma, inverted comma, we add that. Person will change. It will not change because this person is saying about the another one. So he said that Sita is singing very well. Will change into Sita was singing very well. Very small changes in it. Now let's see another example. He said, comma, inverted comma, I am waiting for someone. Okay. There is no changes in it. He said, comma, inverted comma, remove, and in place of it we add that. He said that. Here the person is changed according to the subject person. So I will change into he, and this sentence is present continuous tense and it will change into past continuous tense. So he said that he was waiting for someone. This is our indirect speech sentence. Now see, she said, comma, inverted comma, remove, in place of it we will add that. She said that they were enjoying the music. They are enjoying the music will change into they were enjoying the music. It is very simple, students. So I want you should also take your sentences and try changing it in direct to indirect speech. I'll give you some exercises after this video. See last example of this tense. David said, comma, inverted comma, I am not going to college. Change it. David said, comma, inverted comma, remove. David said that I am not going to college. It is present continuous tense. This verb will change into past continuous tense. He was not going to college. Okay. Now let's go to the next tense, that is present perfect tense. So present perfect tense sentences will change into past perfect tense. Okay. If your direct speech is in present perfect tense, it will convert into past perfect tense when we change it into indirect. See some examples. First one is, he said, comma, inverted comma, Sita has sung very well. You can understand it. This is our perfect tense verb. Has and have are our perfect tense verbs, and this is the third form of action verb. So just change this sentence into indirect. He said will remain same, comma, inverted comma, remove, in place of it we will apply that. Sita has sung very well. Present perfect will change into past perfect, and in past perfect the verb will change into had, and again third form of the verb. Sita had sung very well. And see the next example. She said, comma, inverted comma, I have completed the work, and inverted comma, close. Now change it. She said, comma, inverted comma, remove, in place of it that. For I we will apply she. She had completed the work. Have completed will change into had completed. Now see another example. John said, I have won a prize. Just change it. John said, comma, inverted comma, remove. In place of it that, I have won a prize. Have won will change into had won. And in place of I, first person, we will add John for this subject, and subject is John, and for John we will apply pronoun he. He had won a prize. John said he had won a prize. Now last example is David said, I have not met her. Comma, inverted comma will remove. In place of it we will apply that. Said will remain same. David said that he had not met her. Have not will convert into had not. Now let's see next tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. If your direct speech is in present perfect continuous tense, when we change it into indirect, it will convert into past perfect continuous tense. It is very simple. So let's start with example. See first example, he said, comma, inverted comma, Sita has been singing very well. Now change it. Said will remain same. He said, comma, inverted comma, remove. We will apply that in place of it. Sita had been singing very well. Has been singing very well when converting to had been singing very well. Okay. Let's see. She said, comma, inverted comma, I have been working in a factory for 2 years. This is our present perfect continuous tense sentence. Here we can see for timing 2 years. Okay. Now let's change it. She said, comma, inverted comma, remove. In place of it we will apply that. Here for I we will apply she. So she said that she have been working will change into had been working. She had been working in a factory for 2 years. Rest of the sentence will remain same. We should change only our action verb and auxiliary verb according to tenses. Let's see another example. They said, comma, inverted comma, we have been living in America since 2013. They said that they had been living in America since 2013. Students, I think this will make your tenses practice also to convert one tense into another. Okay, so you just go through the tenses once again. This will help you to change the narration nicely. Let's see. David said, comma, inverted comma, he has been waiting for his brother for 3 hours. Change it. David said that he had been waiting for his brother for 3 hours. So these all were the changes of narration of present tense, all 4 kinds of tenses. So present tense, all 4 kind of tenses. In direct speech, when we change it, it will convert into past types of tenses. Now let's see the past tense sentences in direct narration. How it will change. And once again I would like to tell you, beside tenses, the direct narration will change into indirect according to sentences also. Types of sentences you had learned in earlier classes like imperative, interrogative, assertive, negative, all types of tenses, exclamatory sentences. So how do we change those sentences? We will learn later on. So let's continue with past tense. So first of all, simple past tense will change into past perfect. If our direct narration is in simple past tense, it will convert into past perfect tense. Let's see with example. He said, comma, inverted comma, I started a job. Now you can see the verb started direct after our subject. So second form of the verb started is here. So we can recognize it is simple past tense. How do we change it? He said, comma, inverted comma, remove. In place of it, we apply that. For I, we will apply he. He said that he had started a job. Had started is perfect tense verb, past perfect tense verb. So, it will change into past perfect tense. Now, let's see another example. She said, comma, inverted comma, I bought a new car. She said, comma, inverted comma, remove that. For I, we will apply she. She said that she had bought a new car. Second form of the verb bought will convert into had bought. It is very simple. Now let's see another example. They said, comma, inverted comma, we went to market. Very simple sentence it is. Just try changing it. They said that they had gone to market. Went to market will change into had gone. See the last example of this tense. He said to me, you didn't help me. Didn't is our past tense verb. So he said to me, you didn't help me. In last video I taught you when said to will come, it will convert into told. Okay. So here it will change into told. He told me, comma, inverted comma, remove. In place of it we will apply that. You, for you we will apply according to object. So object is me and I will me will convert into I. So in place of you we will apply I. He said to me, you didn't help me. So for me we will apply I. He told me that I had not helped him. Understood? Now let's see next type of tense. Past progressive tense. Past progressive tense or past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense or past perfect progressive tense. Okay? This is. Now let's see examples. He said, comma, inverted comma, I was writing a poem. It is the sentence of past progressive or past continuous tense, was writing. Let's see how do we change it. He said will remain same. Remove the comma, inverted comma and apply that for that. For I, we will apply he because no other object is here. So according to rule, we will apply as same as subject. So he said that he was writing a poem will change into had been writing. Had been writing is the perfect continuous tense verb, past perfect continuous tense. So present past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. And students, we have two more tenses in past tense, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. If your sentence direct speech narration is in past perfect or past perfect continuous tense, there will not be any changes in it. It will remain same. So that's all in this video. I will give you some exercises. You do practice of changing the narration direct to indirect, whatever the tenses, whatever rules we had learned till now, and rest of the rules and some exercises and examples we will continue in our next lecture in next week. So till then, you do practice, keep practicing.